I'm working on time.
Penny X.
What up, everybody? So this is gonna be a little bit different of a video. It's gonna start on the bike, and then we're gonna end up in my car for the meet, because I'm bringing my dog with me to the meet. I haven't taken her in like a year to the meet because I've been taking the bike, but I don't want to take her, so I want to bring her with me. Yeah, last 2 times I tried to record, my fucking GoPro was dead, and it would sit, like, I'd charge it and it would be like, say it's like the light would go out, so it would be like saying it's fully charged, but it wouldn't actually be charged. So I took the battery out and charged it separately in the battery like charging station thing instead of through the GoPro. Yeah, I charge that way. I don't know, I've never had that issue. I usually charge like the 2 batteries in the like the little charging thing, and then I'll charge my GoPro, so all 3 will be charged like overnight. But that was not the case. So yeah, I put my new grips on, and I took the bar ends from my 600 that's been sitting, because one of the Phillips bolts on the end was stripped on this side. I took it out, like the whole thing, and where the bolt that goes in to the nut that tightens the little rubber thing, like for the ram and like quad lock mounts, how it squeezes the rubber piece together to create the seal. Yeah, that seized. So it was like all corroded. So I don't know if it was because I don't know. It was all corroded. So I took that out. I gotta get some new ones for my other bike, but I'm not in a rush because it needs a motor, so it's not going anywhere anytime soon. So I put these on. I noticed when I put them on, this one says gsxrrrr, and this one says nothing. It's just black. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just like, I thought it would at least have the symbol on both sides, but it doesn't. So whatever. We mismatched, and I didn't line up the domino thing. Whatever, I don't care. They're like fucking $25 grips. I'm not worried about it. I got these ones because I like the domino grips. I had the regular all gray ones on my other bike. I also like the Odie grips. I had those on my dirt bike. And I wanted to get the white with white and gray, or maybe it was black. I can't remember. So they were sold out, so I didn't get them. So I wanted these. I think the white grips would look better, personally. So the black and gray looks good. Not quite the same gray, but, and the black with white was sold out too. It's a little frustrating, but yeah. So there should be what's left of a video, like whatever I was able to film, that should be posted. I'm gonna try and get it edited tonight and post it. Try and make a video out of it, like, oh my Jesus, fuck! Ow! That fucking little kicker. But yeah, so I'll try and make a video out of it, see what I can do, and then if not, then this will be the next video. So I'll get that done tonight too after the meet. At least that's my plan. But yeah, we'll start off as like a little motovlog, and then I'll probably cut it and then we'll be like in the car and then be like at the meet, you know? I wonder if you guys can hear where the little fucking, whatever the fuck they're called, on the end of like the string on my hoodie, this little plastic piece, keeps slapping my helmet, making like a little tinging noise. It pisses me off. It annoys the fuck out of me. I wonder if the mic is picking up or not. So these grips are thinner than the other ones I had on there. So I gotta get used to that. I was trying to see if they had any. We gotta get gas. Light just came on. If they had any carbon fiber bar ends. But I don't want like the knockoff, like fake carbon. I want the real carbon. I couldn't tell if anyone had the real ones or not. I love that pop when it shifts. Yeah, I want to do that. I eventually am going to do more real carbon on like the actual bike. Because this fake shit, I hate it. I want it to be real, not like it doesn't look bad, but I'd rather it be real, you know, than like some fake shit. I'm also in Hey Dudes, do not judge. I left the house and was not paying attention to what I had on my feet. I put these on to take the dog out, and then I was like, oh shit, I gotta go to work. And then yeah, kind of rushed and didn't even change my shoes. Did not even remember. So that one's on me. If I was to go down in these, it would fucking suck. Because there's not much material there, and they're not like they're like fucking they're thinner than Crocs, man. It's just like thin cloth. Comfy as fuck though. These ones have the cork like in the bottom sole on the inside, whatever, insole, right? That's what that's called. I don't fucking know, but it's cork and it's so comfy, man. I never thought like cork would be like super comfy, but it is. And I like my dog chewed the laces on this one, so I was trying to see if I could find another pair to replace these. They don't make them anymore, at least not from what I've been able to tell. I got these ones when I went to Florida. We're gonna scoot on over here so we can get gas. But yeah, I don't know. I haven't been able to find them. If not, I can just buy a pair and put these in there. It's not like there's a hole in them or anything. We're just missing a couple laces. $5 a gallon off. It's like fucking 20 cents total for this fucking thing. But it all adds up, you know. I see people started marking them. There was a video on TikTok, I think, that told you which button. I'd just press them all till I figured out which one it was, and then I kind of stuck with that one until I found one that like didn't work, and I was like, well, fuck. This is like the most annoying thing is fucking listening to these stupid fucking ads. Not like 99% of them don't even pertain to me. That shit sounded fucking hot. I loved it. I like it when it pops between the shifts. That's like my favorite fucking part. And like obviously when I'm fucking wide open doing a pull and the shifts with the quick shifter. Oh Lord. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I can fucking check the sign, just, you know, knock the sign over. It'd probably not feel good because I'm pretty sure those are metal, like behind the fucking the cheap plastic fucking. Like, it was like this morning, and I thought it was gonna rain. I was like, it said it was gonna be nice. It said it was gonna be like 76 and sunny. So I took the bike. And then I am on the way to work, and it looks like this. I'm just like, what the fuck? And it got cold, like it was gonna rain. And I went all the way to work. It was like, I'm gonna have to ride in the rain. And I forgot to change my shoes, so I'm in Hey Dudes. Fuck, I was gonna be wet. And then it didn't rain, it actually got sunny. So the weather people were right for once. Woo! The stop sign, dog. Yeah. Fucking idiot. I love the noises my bicycle makes. My little bicycle! Little, I mean, it's fucking like 400 pounds, man. That ain't little, that's big. That's a big bitch. And I like my new windscreen too. I'm glad I finally just fucking decided to spend the money on it. It was on sale. It was like $3 off, but it was on sale. So, on sale is on sale. That's why we pulled the trigger. It's like retail for like $98, I think, and I got it for like 95 or 96, something like that. Oh, and this weekend we did a like car barbecue. We've been calling it a carbecue, you know, because that's cool. At our buddy's place, he's got the silver Z. He had the blue one. The 280, and we did it at his house, and oh my god, dude, it was so fucking funny. I got a couple videos of some of the guys, and fucking Chris with the Z was swallowing some hot dogs, man. Holy fuck. I got a video of him. He like has a whole hot dog, right? And it's like cold at this point, like they're not warm, they've been sitting out for a little bit. Because this was like 2 hours after we made them. We've just been kicking it, just shit. He turns around, it disappears, and he turns back around and he has a mouthful. That dude was a glizzy gobbler, man. It was so fucking funny. Drag me and my joggers. There's one more big bump right here because they paved. Just a little like, woo, you know? Yeah, so probably next clip you'll see it'll be me driving my car, or we'll put my dog in the car to go to the meet. So yeah, catch you a little bit. Peace! Holy shit, look at that. So we are on the way to the meet. We're in my car, my STI, and we got that dog with us. He usually gets car sick. No car sick good. Yeah, we're on our way to a meet.
Becky, taking to the bomb.
I'm gonna sit. Corky, look at this here. This right here's cool hole. Put the flash on it real quick. Hold on, do you have a flash? I have a flash.
Don't give me
Oh, he's in there.
I don't know what to say. I really wish I had something witty to say. Like and subscribe.